If you are getting this annoying service due message, I will help you get rid of it in this video. In the car menu, there are two interval times or displays or whatever. One is for oil change and one is for inspection. As you can see here, my inspection was not reset, so I did the oil change, but they didn't know how to reset this. For this you obviously need a cable connected to your car and this software. You will select the control module. You cannot reset it from this, so don't try that. You can only reset the oil change, and if you need that, let me just go back. Actually no, still here. You can go to reset and just click OK. I will not do that, it was already resetted today, so yeah. Okay, once again here, you go to instruments, adaptation, and the channel that we want is 53, and read it. And the new value we will put here is 0. Click on test, all OK, save, yes. Done, go back. I don't know what I was waiting. Close controller, go back. Go back, exit. And as you can see, this thing already changed and it's all good. And now if I take the contact out, no more annoying message. So this has been it, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching. Give it a like if it helps you. Subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, car related, some of them if you want, and see you in the next one. Bye.